Yeah. Let's start the session. Kindly, please spare a couple of minutes. I'm sure we done this topic yesterday. And what is the today topic? 51. Okay. The topic name is date and time operations. What is the concept? Date and time operations. We'll see. Okay. Come on, I need your help actually. Can I close this? So talk with me. This one is a link of it. Yeah. Date and time operations. Only thing is my voice is clear, your voice is not clear. Okay. Now I'm sorry. How it is my voice? Online team, is my voice is clear? It would be a good, I guess. Yeah, thank you. Good. Sir, let us start. The today topic name is a date and time operations. What is the topic name? Let me ask you a question. Generally, we are getting a data. From this data, what we are getting, sir? Data frame. And then we are applying operations. We are applying what exactly? Operations. Team, you know what? Till now, we done operations over the numbers. Or what exactly? Numbers. And over the string also. Or what exactly? String related data. These are all things we understand. First of all, what do you mean by data? Any idea? Talk with me. Collection of facts. Facts can be tell me. First one is numbers, alphabets, and alphanumeric. Keep on. Am I right or not, sir? But let me tell you one more point. What is the point? Hold on. Go to the Python. Now I need your help actually. A equals to 10. What type of value? Very nice, man. Integer value. Okay. B equals to 1.2. What type of value? Very nice. C equals to in between double quotes Daniel. What type of value? String. Very nice. Now please focus. D equals to now what is the today date? 0 to 13. 0 to next one is what exactly? 13. Next one is a 2024. Good. Keep in mind that. Let me tell you. 10 is integer value. 1.2 is a floating value. Daniel is a string value. Team. This one also called as, first of all, what is this one? Can I say date format? What format? Frankly speaking, this one also data. This one also what exactly? Data. Right. Now, this one is called as a date time data format. I mean to say that this is what is the data type? Integer data type. This what is the data type? Float data type. Same thing like that. String data type. And this one is date time data type. What is that one, sir? Date time data type. Conclusion of the story. For a date values, what values actually? Date values. There is a separate data type. There is what exactly? It should be. Why? Because if you have a date time data type, generally, assuming that over Amazon, I bought today one product, sir. I bought I bought today one product actually. On what exactly? One product. After 1 year, After 1 year, Amazon started doing analysis actually. Do let me know. So this is the date. Am I right or not, sir? If it is the date, I just wanted to ask a question. What is the day actually? 02. Assuming that. Next one is what is the month actually? Sorry, sir. Yeah, yeah. 02. Next one is what exactly? Year. What is the year actually? 2024. Conclusion of the story. Let me tell you. If this value backend is some date data type, if it is representing with date data type, then we can get day value, we can get month value, we can get year value. Are you getting everyone? You need to understand for this kind of value why separate date time data type would you have. Why? Because based on requirement we can pull, or else we can get either month value, day value, year value. Are you getting everyone? Now today, uh, complete total discussion will be date time data type only. What is the topic? Date time data type. Are you ready? I hope you understand the purpose will be. Let us move on with the discussion, boss. Focus. This is a bit important. Intentionally I made it very important topic actually. Why less students today? Any festival? Let me open the material. Date time data type. Date and time operations. Get ready. Yeah, hold on. This theory you can ignore. If I say ignore, you have to close your eyes and you have to ignore, sir, right? Blindly you have to ignore. Load the file. What we are doing, do let me know. We are just trying to loading a file, and whenever you are loading the file back and it creates a data frame. What is the file name? Sales 7 underscore dates dot. Means till now, I might have explained like price actually, customer ID, customer name, product name. These are all things actually. We have created a separate data set. I just wanted to focus completely on date time related operation actually. Let me show you. First of all, pull that file very quickly. Sales 7, exactly take this one and create a folder. Folder name will be coding actually. Yeah, now just try to come here. Notepad. I need your help, sir. Import pandas as pd. By this time, are you able to write the program in your notepad actually? You are able to write, right? Please, at least from the Python hello example, from the pandas, at least loading the file actually. You should have you should have hands-on experience actually. pd.read underscore csv. And now let me just try to print df. Let me provide the file. What is the file name? Sales 7 underscore date. Dates or date actually. Okay, dates dot csv. Get ready, sir. Let me save. This one will be demo1.py. And desktop coding. Let us run this example. Interesting. Very nice, sir. Get ready. What is the first one? Do let me know. What is the first call? First of all, how many rows actually? 0 to. Come on, sir. This time you should not get a confused actually. Come on. How many columns? 6 columns actually. You should know. I will not reveal the answer actually. How many rows means started from 0 to 9998 actually. Keep in mind that. Hold on. Online team. I hope. Yeah. My voice is clear, I guess. Good, exactly. Let's move on. Order ID, customer ID, product name, product cost. Next one is PUR date means purchase date. What is that one? I mean to say that so and so order ID, so and so customer, and this is the customer ID, and he bought his product, this kind of product, and product cost is what exactly, so and so, and this is the specific date actually. This is what exactly? Am I right? Good. Hold on. One point you need to understand, sir. Very, very important point. Please focus on this. What is the point? Sir, very, very important point. The point will be, I just wanted to know, there is a column name is called as what exactly? Purchase underscore date. Am I right? Good. There is a column name is called as a customer underscore ID. Tell me one more time. Customer. I just wanted to check the data type for that column. I just wanted to check data type for that column actually. How we can check it out? Yeah, very good. Somebody already respond. D types you can give, otherwise info. Very good, man. Now just try to come here. Df dot info. Very nice. Now you do let me know. Customer ID. What is the data type actually? Please focus. Customer ID. What is the data type? Talk with me, sir. Integer. Okay, very good. Next one. Customer name. What is the data type? This is just to give overview. I'm explaining actually, but my target will be which column? Yeah, you got it actually. Now please focus. There is a column. Column name will be what exactly? Purchase underscore data. Talk with me. What is the column name? Now please focus. What exactly happened? Even though, let me open the data set. This is the physical file. Yes, of course, the file looks like this. Order ID, customer ID, product name, product cost to till to the purchase date actually. These are all date values. These are all what exactly, sir? Date values. What exactly happening, whenever you're trying to loading this file in a pandas, first of all, pandas is loading the file. It is okay. Creating the data frame. Where are all date values is available? Please focus. Where are all this value is available, it is assigning as a string data. Where are all this is available, it is assigning as a string data. This data type is what exactly? Integer. Sir, by default pandas will not assign date time data type. By default pandas will assign string data type. What data type? Are you getting your one? Let me tell you how I can confirm. Come here, there is a column name is what exactly? Purchase underscore date. What is the data type, sir? Object means? Damn sure interview question. Hello boss, in your CSV file we do have a customer name, no doubt at all. Data type is string or object actually. Anyway, customer ID 123 something like that, the data type is a integer. Product name data type is a object. Now please focus. There is a column name is called as a purchase date, sell date, merchant date, date related value. By default what is the data type, sir? Object. What is the data type? Are you getting your one? Now what we need to do, though this is string data type, being a data scientist we need to convert this data type into date time data type. Are you getting what I'm explaining actually? Generally, sir, if it is a string, over this object we can apply string related operations. What operations we can apply? String related operation. Are you getting? But we cannot apply date related operation. Then if you wanted to apply date related operation, then try to convert this one into what exactly, sir? Date time data type actually. I will explain one more time. Let me show you practically. Here one point you need to understand. What is the point? By default pandas will assign pu or underscore data column data type as object data type. What data type, sir? Object data type. Means we can apply only string operations. Am I right or not, sir? Generally this is the date data. What to data? Generally we need to apply date related operation, but we no need to apply string related operation. I mean to say that, now assuming that there is a column name is a purchase underscore date actually. What is the data type, sir? Object. What is the data type actually? Object. Now what we need to do, we need to convert this data type into date time data type. What data type actually? Then you can apply these related operations. You can apply what operations actually? Date time operations you can apply. Are you getting your one? Let me show you. You may ask a question, Daniel, why conversion required? Simple, sir. Pandas by default it is assigning as a string. Then we need to convert that one into date time data type. Then you may ask a question, why conversion? Without conversion also we can perform operation. Without conversion also we can perform what exactly? Let me show you small example. Understand. Look at my screen. A equals to 10, b equals to 20. Do let me know a plus b. What is the result? Very good. 1020. Can I say that? Good. What exactly happened? Generally, I thought I wanted to apply integer operation. What operation? My expected output is a 30. But what is output we are getting? 1020. Then what we need to do? Convert this data type into integer. Convert this data type into integer. Then perform operation. Then what operation actually? Perform operation. Are you getting? Sir, are you getting? Good. Let me convert. C equals to, C equals to integer of what we need to give? A. Very good. D equals to integer of B. Then what I can provide? C plus what exactly? I hope you understand. Means the column value purchase underscore date backend it is giving double quotes actually. Then only string operations we can apply, but not date time data type operations we cannot apply. If you wanted to apply, convert that object to data into date time data. What data actually? Object data into date time data. Are you getting everyone? Good. Let me talk with online team. Online team, how many of you following? Can I get a response, please? Focus. Very easy, sir. I will give you 2 to 3 times revision. Very easy. I will repeat one more time, but let's move on. First of all, see, whenever you are loading this one, I'm sorry, did I copy the example? Yeah, I copied the example. Then if you want, you can take this output. You can just try to take this one. For this program, this is the output actually. Please focus on this one. Please focus. Focus. Your focus should be generally there is a column. What is the column name? Purchase underscore date. What is the data type? Object. But what is the original data type actually? Date time. What is the original data type? We need to convert explicitly. Are you getting? Good. Let me convert. Very simple, sir. Now read the theory. You can easy to understand. Are you ready? Can I ask a question? How many functions? One. What is the function name? How many methods? Sir, I need a quick response. How many methods? One method. What is that method name? How many keywords? What are all those? Very good. What is the package name? Pandas actual. Very good. Let's move on to the next one. This theory I will explain. Hold on. Now focus on this line. Focus on this line. Let me take this line. Let me take this line. Kindly please observe the difference actually. It's a very simple. What I told just now actually. Generally, this is the CSV file. This CSV file backend there is a date value. That date value it is taking what exactly? Date value, purchase underscore date actually. Purchase what exactly? Underscore date column. It is taking as a object. It is taking as what exactly? I wanted to convert into date to time data type. What type actually? Date time data type. Then explicitly you need to write one small syntax actually. Can I say, tell me what is it? My favorite syntax. What is that one? My favorite keyword argument. What is that keyword argument name actually? Parse underscore dates. Parse means read, a kind of some reading, getting, capturing actually. Hello boss. Parse dates equals to in between list. You need to specify name of the column. In between list, you need to specify what exactly? Name of the column. Then what exactly happened? Whenever this function is loading this file, explicitly it will jump into that file where are all this column is available. Now here onwards it is not a object, sir. Here onwards it is not what exactly? Object. It will be date time data type. What type? Date time data type. I mean date related data type. You are going to get it actually. Are you getting? Do let me know. Till previously we are very clear here, but today I am bringing one more keyword argument. What is the topic name actually? Parse underscore dates. Sir, very important. During interview, they will ask a question. I do have a date column in my file actually. How to load the file? They will ask actually. Simple. You need to tell by using read underscore CSV, you can load the CSV file. At the same time, though the file having date value, explicitly we need to provide keyword argument. Then only the date values will be considered as a date to time data type. What data type? Date time data. Are you getting? First of all, understand how to convert. Then later, I will explain what are all operations we can apply actually. Are you getting everyone? Good. Let me show you. Let me show you. Take this one. Let us just try to write a code in front of you actually. Now, import pandas as PD. Df equals to PD dot read underscore CSV. What is the first one, sir? Sales 7 underscore dates dot CSV. That is the first parameter. Second parameter will be give a comma parse underscore dates equals to list of name of the column. We need to specify what we need to specify. Now just try to come here. What is the name of the column, sir? Purchase underscore date. Either this one or either this one. Ensure that column name should be match actual. Column name should be sorry sir, column name should be match. Provide here actually. Now get ready. I mean to say that in this scenario, read underscore CSV is taking two parameters. First one, name of the file. Second one, date related column. What column? Conclusion of the story. Think like based on the requirement, the function works actually. Previously, we didn't provided this one. Still that function worked. But now suddenly we are bringing in one more parameter actually. Yes, it will work. It will work actually. Keep in mind that, right? Now get ready. Let us just try to print df actually. Are you ready? Let us just try to run the code actually. Wow. So did you notice previously whenever you are printing, it is printing like a normal data. It is printing like what exactly? What is 1 1 2019 0 column 00 0 column what exactly 00. But now please observe this one actually. Sir, this is seriously nice format actually. This is seriously what exactly nice format. By default, it is converting the date time data values into first what value you are getting? Tell me, sir. Pandas always try to read year is the first value. Which is the first value? Year. Next one is what value? Yeah. How you can say this is the month actually? Because date observation is required. Here you can find what exactly? 20. Anyway, 21 month we don't have actually. Come on. Use your intelligence. Sir, at least sometimes you have to use your brain actually. Are you clear? Yeah, good. Yes, sir. Are you clear? Ah, this is the what exactly? Month. This one is a date. Now this one is time. Time stamp actually. What is the first one? Hour. Next one? Minute. Next one? Seriously super. Conclusion of the story, it is printing date including timestamp. Date including what exactly? Best example, whenever you are buying any product over Amazon, it will display the date including timestamp also, on which second, which minute, which hour you bought. It will specify actually. Getting or right, sir? Yeah, good. Now I just wanted to check the data type. How to check actually? D types are generally what we can call. Yeah, very good. First of all, take this example. I will explain one more time. Hold on, please. I need your attention. Come here. You can just try to df dot info method. Execute this example. All right. So the date time data type timestamp it will be improved. Sir, what is the data type actually? Date to time. NS means you can ignore that one. A kind of some nanoseconds actually. Wow, seriously super. But previously, what is the data type? Now, what is the data type? What we done, explicitly I converted from object to date time data type. Did you understand? Now here onwards the cinema will be, once we done conversion, we can apply operations over the data. What type of operations? Would you have a on an average assuming that 10,000 values? How many values? From that 10,000 value, I wanted to get all year value, all month value, all day value, or else all hour value, minute value, second value, lot of operations you can perform, sir. Are you ready? Yeah, good. Now, did you understand? Previously somebody asked actually. Yes, sir. It should be predefined actually. Good question. It should be. There is a good question from Srikant sir. What Srikant sir is asking, Array Daniel, in the keyword argument, is parse underscore dates is what exactly predefined? Yes, it is predefined. It never ever change actually. Something like a sunrises in, same thing like that. This keyword argument never change actually. If you're trying to changing, what is error value? Type error. What is the description? Sir, you guys are preparing nicely. Very good. Yeah, exactly. Type error. What is error actually? Unexpected keyword or exactly. Nicely said actually. Very good. This is another question actually. That's what it is accepting list data type. You know, one of our friend Said sir, he is asking, Array Daniel, if you have a two column names, yeah, do one thing. Just try to what we need to do, provide a comma, and the next one will be here is what exactly delivery date. What date, sir? Delivery date actually. Are you getting your one? Something like that. That's why it is accepting list to data structure. What data structure? I will show you all these example. Let's move to the discussion. Hmm. Oh, good point, sir. Let me tell you that point also. Yeah, you're right. Sayed sir, you're right actually. Good. What our teammate is asking question, valid question. Let me tell you. Previously, I already covered actually, but let me tell you. Sir, A equals to 10, B equals to 20. A plus B. What is the result actually? 30. Assuming that A equals to in between 10 and B equals to in between 20. If you are trying to applying A plus B, then what is the result actually? 1020. Now let us take A equals to, let us take one date value. Let us take what exactly? Go back and get the file. Come here. Kindly please spare couple of minutes. Take this one. Take this value. Good. You can just try to store instead of this one. And next one will be B equals to, can somebody talk with me? Am I right or not, sir? Yeah. Now let us take this one. What is the A? Assuming that A is, we thought like it is a date value. What value? But frankly speaking, it is not a date. It is what date actually? String. Now I wanted to capture first transaction hour, second transaction hour. What is the first transaction hour actually? 0. What is the first transaction hour, sir? Tell me. 0. Otherwise, year I wanted to capture. What I wanted to capture? Year. Do let me know what is the year value? 2019. See, you need to apply string operation over that one actually. Now, how you can get it out actually is by applying slicing. First of all, that is not recommended actually. I mean, applying slicing over the date value. Are you getting or not? But instead of that one, there is one attribute. Attribute name is a dot year. What is the attribute name? If you convert A to date time operation, date time data type actually, then automatically instead of this one, there is an attribute name is a year actually, then you will get the 2019 automatically. Are you getting or not, sir? I hope you're getting right. All right, Sriram sir, kindly please cross verify your file having proper what I can say, person order date, either it is a right column name or not, ship date right column right column or not. Kindly please cross verify once, sir. It should accept actually, no doubt in that. Okay. All right, let's move on. But still I can connect and I can help with you. Column name should be matched, sir. Column name should be matched. Let's move to the discussion. Come on. Now go back and I skip theory, right? I skip what exactly? Theory. This topic takes 2 days session, sir. How long time actually? 2 days session. Please focus. From this topic, minimum 3 to 4 interview questions. How many interview questions? 3 to 4. One bumper offer is every day we are using this topic actually in a real time. Every day on daily basis. Best example, compare to my name, compare to the number. Date is important operation. What is that one? Data. Data type is very, very important. Whenever we are loading the CSV file, if that file contains any column which is having the date value, then by default pandas will consider that column as what exactly? Now, did you understand this point? That's why I skipped actually. If I attack directly this point, you may not understand. That's what I explained the example. Then I came to the discussion. We can provide parse underscore dates, name of the column, and name of the column one, name of the column two. Then pandas consider those columns as what exactly? Date time data type. I hope you're getting, sir. Okay, good. I'm sure this you understand. See here what exactly I'm doing. I'm loading the file, and the df.head means first top 5 rows I'm printing, including purchase underscore date. Even that displays a not a proper way. First of all, there is no timestamp, proper timestamp actually. If it is a proper timestamp, hour, minute, month, I'm sorry, sir, seconds, it's supposed to display. Then it is considered like an object only. It is considered like what exactly? Object only. Sir, let me tell you, if it is considering like a object, you cannot apply date to data type operation. Remember that point. You cannot apply. Why? Because over the object, string methods would you have? What methods would you have? You are eligible to apply only string methods, but not date methods actually, but not date operations. What operations? Date are you getting? Let's move on. Next one. Yes, explicitly means we ourselves is converting this column into what data type actually? Date time data type. What data type? Now here onwards, over this column you can apply date time operation. What operation? You may ask a question, Are Daniel, what do you mean by date time operation? Very simple, sir. I do have a top 5 rows. I wanted to print only year 2019, 2019, 2010. Very simple. Just there is an attribute dot year. You can call that one all year. It will be displayed. Just there is a one month attribute. You can call that month actually. It will be display all month values actually. I will explain step by step actually. Are you with me till now? Good. Let me talk with online team. df of order date df dot info pd. Sir, it should accept, sir. Order date ship date actually. Is it possible, kindly please share your file to my mail id? Is it fine? Is it security file or else it is okay? Yeah, can I share my mail id, sir? Can I share my mail id? Otherwise you can just try to share here actually. Daniel, what is my mail id? Trainer for ds actually. You can share to that one, sir. I will load actually and I will show you. Okay, good. Let's move on. One of our teammate, he is having his own file actually. He is trying. Let me move to the discussion. Very, very important, sir. Get ready. Yeah, converting object to data type into date time data type. Now let me tell you, we can convert from object to data type into date to time data type explicitly in a two ways. In how many ways actually? Two ways. Let me show you one more time actually. First, understand the example. Scenario number one, otherwise case number one, case number two. Please focus. Please focus. What exactly I done, Assuming that in scenario number one, tell me one person name actually. Tell me any person name. Srinivas. Very good. Srinivas. Spelling is correct only, right, sir? Huh? Okay. Next one. Tell me one madam name actually. Come on, tell me. Sriya. Madam. SRIYA. Am I right? Yeah, good. Now just try to say. Assuming that first two data scientist name is a Srinivas and second data scientist name is a Sri actually. Good. Sriya, ma'am. Yeah, very good. Now let's move on. What exactly I done, I have given a file to both of them. The file is what exactly, the file will be, sir, first of all, yeah, I will help you. Hold on. Now take this file. take this file, understand the scenario first, then you will understand how it will work in a proper way. I have given the file, assuming that I'm a lead data scientist, these two guys are working in my project. What I done is, hello boss, you both guys are working in a one team, and take the file and load the file. Just try to take the file and that one also one requirement, sir. That one also what exactly one requirement actually. Then when it comes to Srinivas sir, what he done, he's opened the data set actually. What exactly he opened the data set, and he's able to identify there is a column having what exactly date value, column having what exactly date value. Then he started writing code like this actually. Oh, tell me sir how to write, how he had written. Import pandas as pd, next one is a df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. Tell me. Yeah, very good. Take this one. Next one is what exactly? Parse underscore dates equals to, do let me know. PUR underscore date. PUR underscore what exactly? Date. Perfectly valid example. No doubt at all. 100% valid example actually. 100% what exactly? Valid example. Very good. Srinivas delivered the task actually. And the next task is whom actually? Sri MM. Yeah, good. Now what madam done, assuming that first of all, she taken the file directly. Okay. So taken the file, junior data scientist taken the file, and generally directly loading the file. Import pandas as pd. Pandas as what exactly? Pd df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. And what is the file name, sir? Yeah, good. Now let me just try to print the df actually. Frankly speaking, this one also 100% valid example. This one also what exactly? 100% valid example. Let me tell you the difference. What is the difference, Let us take a Srinivas. While loading the file, he converted. Am I right or not, sir? Means he taken the file. While loading the file, he converted actually. Now, what our madam plan is, assuming that after loading the file actually, now let us try to convert. Let us try to convert. What is the column name, sir? Do let me know. PUR underscore date column value actually. Did you understand, everyone? Conclusion of the story. From object to date time data type, two ways you can convert. How many ways you can convert? Two ways. First one, while loading, we can convert. Second one, after loading. After loaded, I already loaded, you can convert actually. Did you understand the scenario? So talk with me. Understand? Good. Hold on. Let me talk with online. Just a center train.csv file into your melody. Hold on. Just this explanation I will explain one more time. Let me pull that file. Let me take that one. Okay, just try to let me open my melody. Let me copy this. Cristiano. Sir, I will come to the scenario. Hold on. Where are all date columns are? Ship date actually. Open the file. Ship date. Open the file. Sir, if it is having missing value, we need to handle explicitly. Hold on. Where is the ship date actually? Yeah, very good. This is the date time format we do have. Ship date actually. Let us just try to convert. Next one is order date. Take this column. Sir, is it having any missing value? 1 minute. Df dot is an a. Can somebody help me? First of all, we need to go to that scenario 9800 and 9800, no missing value. Then let me validate this one. Sir, there are some missing proper formats. Hold on. Yeah, that is okay. But as of now, date column I'm focusing actually. Just to give me 1 minute, sir. We can fix this one actually. Maybe while loading it is not working, but let me just try to take this one. It is okay. It is okay. So these are all files we can get it from Kaggle. Even I will explain the scenarios from the Kaggle as well. It is okay. Let me just try to load this file. Can you share me that link also? Is it fine? Hold on. Let us just try to take this one. Team, kindly please hold on. Train dot csv, right? First of all, is it csv format only? All right. One minute, sir. Ordered extracted new column as a year from the order date actually. As type as str. Here we are using str. As type as a str. Go back. Here also we are using as type as str. Sir, can I share this example in later actually? Let us move on into our flow. We can do this one. But let me tell you, what is the problem here also during session you will understand. Date having different formats, sir. Different what exactly? Formats. During our session, I'm going to cover. Do let me know. What do you mean by different formats actually? Tell me. First one is MM. Next one is DD. Next one YYY. Next one is what is the format? DD. Next one MM. Next one YYY. And next one will be YYY. Next one MM. Next one DD. Hold on. Move on to our discussion. Go back to the index actually. Here format parameter. During this time you can understand. Are you getting or not? Yeah, I can still execute this example. But let us see, we are in our flow, right? Sriram sir, is it okay? With your permission, I can move on to the next example. But I'm sure I can load this file. All right, thank you. Let's move on. Where are we? 1 minute. Sriram sir file, and the file name is a train.csv file. Ship date. What date, sir? Ship date column. We'll work on this one. Easy. It is easy. Sorry. Column. Come on, go back to the scenario. So for the continuation of our session, you guys need to understand this example actually. Let's move on. You guys will understand. We do have a different formats actually. How to change that formats also you will understand slowly by slowly. Come on. I'm going to take a scenario. That scenario will be case number 1, case number 2. In a case number 1, the junior data scientist, what he done, while loading the file, he converted actually. This scenario is called as a, the first scenario is called as a, while loading the file, what exactly, sir? Loading the file, he converted. What he done actually? He converted. Now, this is the one way. Second way will be scenario number 2. What we can do, after loading the file, after what exactly? Loading the file, we can convert. We can what exactly, sir? Convert. If you wanted to convert after loading the file, two ways, sir. How many ways actually? Two ways. Go back and just try to read the document actually. Now please observe this one. By using two ways we can convert actually. What is the first one? To underscore date time function. First one is by default what exactly? Function name. Second one by using method. Second one by using what exactly, sir? Method. Come on, talk with me. After loading the file, if you wanted to convert, there are two ways actually. The first one is what exactly? To underscore date time function. This call is what exactly? And second one is a as type method. What is that one? As a type method. We'll see. First of all, let me explain this one. Somebody asked one question. Which one is the real time scenario actually? Yeah, good. Sir, we should know both actually. It would be good to know both. Both are valid. Both are valid scenario. Both are valid scenarios actually. Why? That's why they are providing these many functions and methods. Functions and methods. Let me continue the discussion. Come on. Uh, Hold on. Let's close this one, please. Did I explain this one? Okay, okay. Let me not deviate actually. In a command prompt also we can load the file. I will tell you that one. Let it be in my flow, sir. To underscore datetime is a predefined function. To underscore datetime is what exactly? Predefined function. This function we should access by using a pandas library. This function convert from object to data type into what exactly? Datetime data type. It's a very simple. Look at my screen. First of all, like a 3mm, she already loaded the file. Like a junior data scientist, she already loaded the file. Now her motto will be, let me convert the so and so column. We can convert. How to convert? You just need to call a column. Sir, any idea? Left hand side, if you are giving like this, any idea? Okay. Yeah, few guys responded actually. That's what yesterday topic is important actually. What exactly we are doing? Df of name of the column means adding a column name. If already column is available, then old values will be replaced with what exactly? New values. If already column is available, that's what the order is important. How I cover the topics, the order is important actually. If you understand yesterday topic how to add a column, then only you can dance for today topic actually. Pd dot to underscore date time. Here you need to provide df dot pur underscore date actually. Are you guys getting or not, sir? First of all, load this file. Let us just try to take this one. Let's load this file. Now, in a directly df dot info method. What method, sir? Df dot info method. Let us execute this example. All right. Sorry. Not programs. What is the code actually? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on. You can just try to say pu or underscore date values would you have. Now, let me show you. Let us just try to convert this one into df of. This one is let us just try to apply here. Now let us just try to apply here. Df of, sir, you have to tell me. Pu or underscore date equals to what exactly? Pd dot, what is the function name? To underscore date time. Read your one. Date time. Take this one. To underscore date time. And here you need to provide name of the column. What is the name of the column? That name of the column. So including the data frame, you have to specify here actually. Sir, now please observe here actually. Df dot, can I maintain some space? Df dot info method. Execute this example. The first one I'm printing before updating. Second one, this is seriously interesting. This is before and this is what exactly? After. But do let me know. This conversion we done after loading the file. Did you notice that one actually? Sir, are you getting? Good. Now take this example. Let's move on to the discussion. Good, you guys are in the track actually. Conclusion of the story. Pu or underscore data. What is the data type, sir? object. What we need to convert actually? Date to time data type. Am I right? Yeah, there are two ways. The first one is while loading the file. Talk with me, sir. While loading the file. While loading the file, if you wanted to convert, read underscore CSV. Here, what we need to provide actually? Yeah, parse underscore dates. So and so thing we need to provide. Am I right? Now the second one will be, tell me, after loading the after loaded the file. After what exactly? File already loaded. Now I wanted to convert. There are two ways, sir. First way and the second one is what exactly? Second way. There are two ways. First one will be to underscore date time function. What is that one? To underscore date time function. Next one is as type method. As type method actually. As type method in series. In what exactly? This one is not using in real time, but let me cover this example also. Did you understand, everyone? Damn sure you answer your question, sir. Focus. Online team, are you following? Are you following? Can I get a response? Yeah, let's move on. But this we are not using. The second one, what I'm explaining actually, as a type, it is a predefined method in series class. This method we should access by using series object. We know already this. This method convert from object to data type into what exactly? Data. Date time data type actually. Now just try to see a kind of some hadavadi we need to do. Df of purchase underscore date equals to df of purchase date dot, though this is the series method. What method? Then definitely whenever you're accessing this one, what is the data type? Series. We are trying to accessing a single column. We are trying to accessing what exactly? Over the single column we are applying a method. What is the method? As type date time 64 ns. These are all things we need to provide, sir. Are you getting your one? But we are not using this. But anyway, let me show you this example also. Copy paste this one and let me just try to run this. Get ready, come on. Yeah. Now before this one you can just try to print, and after this one also you can just try to print. The first one, before converting, what is the data type actually? Object. After converted, what is the data type? But this we converted after loading by using as type method. By using what method? As type method. Are you getting? Means conclusion of the story. Conversion two ways we can do, sir. How many ways? Two ways. First one, while loading the file. Second one, after loaded the file. Did you understand? Now what is the next topic? Sir, when I'm talking about the data, we do have a different date formats. Like in India, the date format is a different, and USA, the date value is the same, but there are some specific countries they will spell out. The first one is the day, next one is the month, next one is the year actually. Other countries they will spell out. First one is the year, next one is the month, next one is the day actually. These are all like this would have different formats. Different what exactly? Even just now, sir shared the file, right? This file also having the different date format. But if you understand my explanation, you will understand this problem will solve, will solve itself actually. You kindly guess actually what is the first value? Do let me know. What is the first value? Day. Next one is a month, next one is year. We'll see how it works actually. Okay. Yeah, before moving on, how many values? 9000. Good, sir. uh take the csv file. Now create a folder. Folder name will be, let us take a Friday. What is the folder name? Friday. Paste here actually. Instead of Friday, I don't have a time. Open a notepad, writing a program. Instead of that, what we can do, open a command prompt here. And here you can just try to py. Yes, I entered into Python interpreter. In real time, we are not doing this one actually. But if you don't have a time, you know one logic very well. While walking, you got one logic actually. I wanted to immediately execute that logic. Then open a Python interpreter, and here you can load the file actually. What is the import pandas as pd, line by line execution actually. And df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. And here what we need to tell, sir? Sales 7 underscore dates dot csv df. Wow, data frame created actually. Are you getting? Come on, applying here operation will be very easy. Shape actually. Df dot what exactly? Info method. But please don't execute here actually. Why? Because if you close this one, what happens, sir? The code what you had written, it will be deleted actually, elapsed. But instead of that one, write a code over the file. Write a code what exactly, sir? Over the file and execute. A kind of some backup also you do have actually. Are you getting your one? Good. It's a kind of, it is called as a place call. What is this one, sir? Place call. Open the command prompt and you can just try to, execute the example. These are all interesting. All right. We are in the track actually. Hold on. Come on. Now the next interesting topic will be format parameter. What parameter? Focus. Important. We can represent the date formats in a different ways. What is the first one? March 23rd, 2015. Okay. 03. I mean, this date we can still represent with 03, 23, 15. Oh, next one is 3. What is this symbol? Very good. Pipe symbol 23. Next one is what exactly? 20, 15 actually. Can I say like this would have a different date formats actually? Are you getting or not, sir? Good. So we can use the format parameter to specify exact format of this string actually. Generally, in real time, once you are getting the file, you have to open the data set. You need to spend some time over the date column or what exactly? Date column and understand the date column. Then you will understand what kind of parameter you need to specify actually. Are you getting your one? Good. Let me show you. Let me show you. This you can ignore as of now. I will tell you. Focus important. Understand the program actually. Understand the program, please. I have created a data frame. My data frame having how many columns actually? Tell me. 4. What is the first one? Product, status, cost, purchase date. Tell me one more time. Product, status, cost, purchase date. Samsung, success, the delivery success. Next one is the cost actually. Next one is what exactly? Cost. Sir, 1 minute. I ordered an item in Amazon. Maybe that gave me call in between. Ayo. I'm sorry, online team. Hold on, sir. Yeah, oh, he didn't call. Sorry. Let's move on. Can somebody help me? Why this is object actually? By default, pandas don't know date type, data type. We need to convert explicitly. What we need to do? We need to convert explicitly. How many ways? 2 ways. First one, while loading. Second one, after. Now you will understand why after is required actually. Why after is required, Here we are creating a data frame by using a dictionary. By using what exactly? Then where we can specify, sir? Parse underscore dates actually. Did you understand? There is a reason for everything actually. Let us execute this example first of all. Sriram sir, you will understand our example actually. Let us just try to follow these different formats. We will understand what format we need to specify actually. Sriram sir, can I get a response? Go back. Coding. You can just try to come here and execute this one. All right. Now get ready. I just wanted to convert explicitly. I just wanted to convert what exactly? Explicitly. Yeah. While loading, after loading, move on to the next discussion. Df dot d types you can print. If you want, you can print what exactly, sir? Df dot d types. Can I ask you one question? What is d types actually? Any idea? Attribute nice. Run this example. You can just try to cross verify. Yeah, purchase underscore date is object data type actually. Move on to the next discussion. Please don't ask a question. What is this one actually? Just now we done. Am I right? Data frame is already created. already created actually, means loaded the data. After loaded the data, there is a so and so column. Column name is called as what exactly? Purchase date. If you wanted to convert into date time data type, you guys need to call one function. Function name is a to underscore date time. Name of the column we need to specify. Are you getting your one? Good. Hold on. Sir, important. Please focus. Take this one. First of all, this is the data. This is the data we do have. It is okay. Yeah, exactly. We do have a 4 columns actually. Now, according to the discussion, first one, what is the format we have given? Do let me know. According to that one, Y. Next one is month actually, Next one is DD. Am I right? Talk with me, sir. What is the first one? Year, month, date. One more time. Last time. This is type 1 format. What format actually? Type 1. We'll see. Like this, how many formats would we have? We'll see actually. Now, I need your help actually. Now get ready. Print off. I just wanted to convert this column, sir. How to convert actually? Df of. Now just have to take this one. Name of the column. Come on. Name of the column equals to. Tell me. PD dot to underscore. Tell me, sir. Date time. And here what we need to provide? As it is, this column we need to provide. Copy. I'm very good in copy paste, sir. Right. Now let us just try to print the data frame. Same thing we can print actually. Am I right or not, sir? Please focus. Execute this example. There is a small observation you have to tell what is going on actually. Yeah. Look at my screen. Look at my screen. Yeah, very good. First one, can I say 2000? You guys are able to say 2019 0921. Then what is the function you are using actually? To underscore date time. First of all, this hyphen I didn't provide it. Then this function, what exactly it is doing, let me print. First, always format actually, a kind of some hyphen format. What format? Hyphen it is printing in between year, month, date actually. Next one will be, what is this one? Year value 2019. What is the next one? 09 month actually. What is the next one? Day. Mean by default, even though it is still printing year, month, day. What it is printing? Year, month, day. You may think like it may be not wondering, right? Hold on, sir. Let us enter into the next example. You will understand why I'm stressing this point actually. Are you getting your one? Good. Take this example. Move on to the next one. Move on to the next one. Yeah. What is this one? Any idea? 2 underscore date time. One more time. 2 underscore date time function. Move on to the next example. Same copy paste example. No more change actually. Then what exactly happened? I wanted to hear from you. What exactly happened? I wanted to hear from you. Get ready to understand this one actually. Yeah, hold on. First of all, previously purchase date. First, what we have given previously? Any idea? Very good. Somebody is telling actually. Year we have given. Next one, what we have given? Month we have given. Next one, date we have given. One more time. Year, month, date. Last time. That is one example I have explained actually. Now, just try to observe here. There is a data frame we are going to create. For this data frame, the date values format is different. The input format is different actually. You have to analyze. What is the date format actually? Do let me know. 02 09 2019. Can I say this is the date actually? DD MMY. DD MMY. Then if it is representing like this, what we need to do, just try to come here. As usual, you need to call the function. One extra keyword argument we need to bring actually. We need to tell, Are boss, I'm going to take the data. That data format is, what is the format actually? First value is what exactly? Day value would you have. Second value is what exactly? Month value would you have. Third value is what exactly? Year value. Syntactically, you need to follow this one, including percentile symbol. And here, y should be capital. What should be capital? Y should be capital actually. Come on, let me repeat one more time. Slowly by slowly, you can understand, sir. Are you getting everyone? Good. Hold on. Let me drink water. Understand the formats. Yeah. As usual, come here. Case number two. First case I covered. I would like to say first case. Case number one. Case number one. What is the first case actually? I just need help from you. Okay. Anyway, first case is I just wanted to hear year. Next one is what exactly? Month. Next one is a date form. Next one is what format actually? Date format. It is okay. First one is year we do have. Next one is month we do have. Next one is day we do have. Now case number two. Case number two. Let me explain this example. In case number two, what exactly we are going to take? Sir, I want help from you. Do let me know what is this value. This value indicates to day, month. Next one, year. One more time, day, month, year. Then explicitly we need to tell to the data frame, hello boss, in my data the data format is like this actually. By using one keyword argument, that keyword argument name is what exactly? Format. Let me give you one small suggestion. Today itself, at any cost, we have to execute this example. Today itself actually. Are you getting? It is easy. Either one or two times it might be, you can feel somewhat complex actually, but it is very easy. Are you getting or not, sir? Come on. Delete the example. Yeah. Take this one. I just wanted to get this one. Date equals to format matters. What matters actually? Format. First column name product. These are all name of the products. Second column status. Third column, talk with me, sir. Price actually. Cost. Fourth column name is purchase underscore date. Then create a data frame. PD dot data frame of data. Very good. Print of df. Run this one. With fresh mind, look at the screen actually. Oh, so seems to be this is not in a right format actually. Means by default pandas will try to understand. It will convert into what format actually? Object format. It will by default, it will load into what exactly? Object format. Then what we need to do? We need to convert this data type into what exactly? Date time data type. What data type? Date time data type. I hope you know how to convert actually. Keep in mind that to convert that one, we need to call a function. And as usual, name of the column. One extra keyword argument is really required here. One extra keyword argument is really required. What is the keyword argument name? Format. We need to tell percentile day means identifying day. Sir, if you are giving M is the first, D is the second, you will get an error. Order matters. What matters here actually? Order matters. Means indirectly, whenever you are providing this one, we are giving information to the pandas. Hey pandas, in my data frame, day is the first term. And pandas by default, it will keep a stank. Okay, day is the first actually. Second one is what exactly? Month is the second. It is okay. I'm considering month is the second. What is the last one? Year. We are telling to the pandas, read like this accordingly. Read like this accordingly. Means this we are telling to the pandas. Dot d types. Can I do that one, sir? All right. Can somebody help me? Now what I need to print actually? Print of df dot d types actually. Df dot what exactly? D types. Good, good. Get ready. Sir, what you have given, do let me know. Day, month, year. One more time. Last time. You may feel irritated actually. Why I'm asking these many times. Let me show you the output actually. You will get a clear picture. Even though you have given day, month, year, even though you have given day, month, year actually, by default, pandas will be display. The representation will be what exactly? Let me just try to print here data frame. DF actually. And after conversion also, let me just try to print. You will understand. Slowly by slowly, you will understand. Understand the output actually. This is before conversion. What is the conversion actually? Day, month, year. What is the format? Day, month, year. After conversion, conclusion of the story, pandas, you give whatever format you have, sir. It will always try to convert year, month, day. Tell me, year, month, day. Last time, one more time. Understand that point actually. Are you getting everyone? Yeah, good. I will repeat this one more time. Don't worry. Step by step, I will explain actually. What happens? Different date formats in CSV file. Can we convert into specific file? We can convert, sir. We can convert actually. There is a one keyword argument. That keyword argument name is a coerce actually. The keyword argument name is a coerce, and by using this one, we can convert. We can convert actually. I will cover this point also. I will cover this point also. What is your name? Tell me, what is your question? Sir, good point. See, this is the data input. Being a data scientist, we need to walk through the input. Being a data scientist, we need to open the input actually. We need to understand. Then we need to tell to the pandas actually, hello boss, my input is like this. My input is like this. Try to read in a same format. Try to read in what exactly? Same format. Indirectly, you are giving an idea to the pandas actually. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In the same data file actually. Sir, what it mean? I didn't understand. This one also I will cover if you are wait for a few minutes actually. Okay, I know definitely this topic revision is required for you guys actually. What is required? I feel actually. Am I right? Am I right? Then I am sensing you are in a right direction. It's okay. I will give revision actually. Not now. Let me finish the topic first of all. Array, Control Z, take this code and you can just try to copy paste here actually. Yes, simple sir. Let me give a small recap actually. What is it today discussed? Date time operations. What is that one? Operation over date column. Over what column actually? Date data type. Date data type column actually. Yeah, good. Let me show you. Assuming that the column names will be something like a customer name. No doubt at all. This is what exactly? Object. And customer ID. No doubt at all. This is what exactly, sir? Integer. Integer. It is okay. Integer. Now let us take a column. Column name is a purchase date. What is the column name? By default, it will convert into what exactly? Object. Sorry for saying not in a right format. Then what we need to do? We need to convert. What we need to do, sir? We need to convert. Conversion, there are two types, man. Conversion actually. Two types actually. Two types. How many types? Two types. The first one will be, you talk with me. You understand actually. While loading the file, while what exactly? Loading the, if I say while loading the file, pd dot read underscore csv here, file comma, tell me parse underscore dates equals to name of the column. Am I right or not, sir? Name of, this is the first way. Second way, yeah, after data frame created, can I say this one? Loading the file also you can say actually. After a data frame created, there are two ways. There are how many ways actually? Yeah, after data frame created, or hold on. I will add your point also. After loaded the file, loaded what exactly? File. Either thing you can say actually. Can I say that one? Why? Because I don't have a file, but still we can create a data frame. Am I right or not, sir? Good. What is the first one actually? To underscore date time function. Date what exactly? Time function. This is the parameter. And second one will be what exactly? As type method. What is that one? As type method in series actually. Method in what exactly? Series. Sir, this is important. And this one also important. Keep in mind that. And this we are not using. Not using. Very rare actually. Very rare. Once I done this explanation, then immediately where I'm jumping, different formats we are seeing. What formats we are seeing? Different formats we are seeing. Formats we are seeing. What do you mean by that? Let us just try to understand on an average 3 to 4 formats. The first format will be, this is the first one, DD, next one MM, next one YYY. This is the format number one. Next one YYY, next one is MMDD. Now next one is what exactly? Do let me know. MMDDYYY. Like this, would you have a different formats? Frankly speaking, you no need to remember, these are all different formats actually. But once you enter into the real time, first of all, understand the date value actually. You will understand what format you need to specify. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. You know, so there are some in real time whenever you are working UTC formats actually. What is that one? UTC, a kind of some, this is outside of UTC format actually. IST format. Any idea? What do you mean by IST? Same thing like that, UTC. Other countries also having their own data time actually. Guys, are you getting or not, sir? Talk with me. Are you getting? Good. Like, like. Hmm. Why we need to understand these formats, you know? Why? Because if you are working with Indian client, then in a straight away you can load the file. If you are working with Indian client actually. Why? Because in your system, the date format also specified like that only. But if you are working with kind of some USA client, what client? USA client. Your system date is different. That date file data type having different actually. Then ensure that what kind of format we need to specify. These are all formats actually. We'll explain slowly by slowly. Then what it done actually? Go back to the previous example. Let me give a revision and I can close the discussion today. Yeah, good. Format parameter. A simple, sir. Slowly by slowly, we need to understand small parameters. To underscore date time, anyway, we already know. For that one, see, whenever we are creating a data frame, whenever you created a data frame, by default seems to be date value, but backend it is considering what exactly? Object. But it should not be object. It should be date time data type. What we need to do? Call the function. What is the function name? To underscore date time, and we are converting actually. Yes, means you have to understand one point actually. What is the point? You know, sir, this function by default, if the data is like this function like to work with y format, m format, day format. What format actually? Y format. What is the y? Year. Next one is month. Next one is, this function directly will work with this data, but ensure that if the data is a different, instead of year first to day first, specify the format. That point you need to understand actually. Are you getting? Slowly by slowly you need to understand. Let's move on. But here, look at this one. Previously, YMD, okay, pandas by default will work actually, to underscore date time function. But now, what is the date format actually? Tell me. Day, month, year. Tell me, sir. Day, month, year. In this scenario, hold on. While converting, please specify one extra formatter. Please specify one extra keyword argument actually. What is that keyword argument name? Format. Format backward slash day. What is it one? Backward slash day. Next one, sorry man, percentile. Percentile symbol D. Next one, percentile M, percentile Y. What is this percentile D M Y? You know, go back here, table I have specified actually. D means day of the month. D means what exactly? Day of the month. M means what exactly? No, month of the month. I mean month actually. Y means full year. Full year means 4 digits actually. Okay. All right. Let's close the today discussion. I can revise tomorrow also once actually. Sriram sir, let me just try to share that example with our telecom group as well. I will share with the example actually. Is it fine for you? All right. Thank you. Yeah, we can download the direct files from the Kaggle website and we can work out actually. I will help you. These are all scenario. And maybe this topic may take tomorrow also, whole day actually. Tomorrow, please come up with practice. Please come up with what exactly? Practice, especially today topic. Then tomorrow topic you will understand very clearly, sir. We done for today's session, and kindly please hold on. Let me upload the material. Yeah, we'll look into that one, sir. As of now, the time is a constant actually. Let me just try to upload the. Come here, NIT 530, data analysis, daytime data type format. Ah, upload the running nodes. 530 running nodes, last running nodes. Sir, anything is pending from my side till now? Oh, sure. Please, you have to remind me, otherwise I may forget, sir. Extract. Let me upload to next topic also, the final topic in a pandas. Can I upload actually? Yeah. All right. Machine learning, data analysis, concatenating multiple CSV file. Yeah, we done for today's session, sir. We'll catch again tomorrow. Hold on. Tomorrow also date and time operation only. Thursday, sir. Friday or Thursday. Thursday or Friday. Get ready. We are going to start the project. Get ready. We are going to start what exactly? Project actually, which is a real interesting. During project discussion, you can feel the total revision one more time actually. From the first pandas to till to the last topic actually. Online team, we done for today's session. Thank you for attending. Please don't miss tomorrow's session. Thank you.